Hi guys, it's me again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply designs to your text using images. This technique is called clip masking. Clip mask is a Photoshop feature in which a layer is clipped inside the other layer. So, for example, let us place a picture, sunset. Okay, and then you click another or you create another layer, new layer for the text. Okay. For instance, we write here sunset. There. And then if you notice, we have three layers. One for the sunset, or yeah, for the image. The other one is the texts. And the last one is the background. So we use white background. So before you begin doing the clip mask or clipping mask feature, move first the image on top of the text. You can just drag it up or down wherever it is. Make sure that the image is on top of the text layer. And then select the image, right click, and then create clipping mask. So as you can see, the background now of the text is no longer white, but the design of the image. When you can when you move the image, automatically the background of the text will also change. And you can adjust the background according to your preference. So that's clip mask. Now you can create or you can apply something like text borders to give emphasis on the text. In Photoshop, it's called text style. So you click the text layer and then right click and then select blending option. For instance, you wanted to apply the drop shadow. You just take the drop shadow. So as you can see, it creates a shadow at the back of the text. And then you double click it somewhere here in this option. You can see the different settings. Most of the time, I would only change the distance, spread, and size of the shadow. So this is how distance affects the design. See? Try to look at the shadow. And also the spread of the shadow. And also the size of the shadow. Now let's try another option, the inner shadow. So the inner shadow has different effect also. So you double click it so that you can change also the distance. Try to notice the change of the setting, now how it affects the design, and then the choke, and then the stripe. Okay. Okay, let's have the outer glow. So this one applies glow effect into the text. So it's outer glow. Okay, so you have here also the spread. You cannot notice the red and size of the outer globe because of the background, a white background. So we'll try another one, the inner globe here. So you just double click the option and you can have here the choke. So do you notice the difference? Okay, that's it. Most of the time I am using the stroke. I like the stroke style. See, the stroke applies somewhat like an outline of the text. The color of the outline is black. So let us try to change the size of the stroke. That's it. The stroke emphasizes the text. Let us try to change the color. So what would be the color that fits on the brown and the yellow? For instance, we wanted to have orange. Okay, darker orange. Somewhat like tangerine or whatsoever. So that's it. No? And if you're contented with the color, then you just click OK. So this is it. Or you can even change it into black. Hmm. Now if you are already contented with the settings, then you press OK. That's it. It's really very simple. So again, I would like to summarize. If you wanted to apply clip mask or apply background into the text, you use the clip mask technique and make sure that the image is on the top of the text, no, of the text layer. And then to give emphasis on the text, you can apply the blending option by just simply right click the text and then select blending option. So that's all for this video, and I hope you learned something from this.